Although there are 3 of us on the Supreme Court, each of whom will be asking the voters to retain us on Thursday, the election has become about, is Tennessee going to continue to have fair and impartial courts where every single person who comes in the courtroom can expect to be treated fairly, to have their case considered carefully, and to have the law applied to them equally, no matter what their circumstances are? I believe the answer to that question is, always has been, and must continue to be yes. There are forces inside this state and outside the state who don't believe that. We have elected officials who have said, I want judges who think like me. I want judges about whom I can predict the outcomes of cases. But that's not what judges do. We take an oath, and we can promise you only one thing today, and that's what I promise you, that I will uphold my oath. I will administer justice without respect of persons, that I will consider every case fairly, strictly, impartially, and based on nothing but the law and the facts. That's what I can promise, and that's the most important thing there is about the court system. And so as we go forward, I urge the voters to look at the records of judges. I urge them to look at my record. I urge them to vote to retain me, but mostly I urge voters to understand that this vote is important because it determines whether Tennesseans want fair and impartial courts or want politics to govern in their courts.